Привет.
Hello everybody.
Это оптика натяжитель.
This is optics, tensioners and a flashlight.
В общем, 3 в одном.
Basically 3 in 1.
Значит,
How does it work? Well, it's just a flashlight.
Работает как просто фонарик. То есть просто фонарик. Натяжители
The tensioners are screwed on and each of the tensioners has diodes in these places.
Включаем.
Turn it on. I think it's visible.
Ну, вообще это как
Well, in general, it's like a car flashlight or something else you can use it for.
залазить, например,
You can, for example, crawl under with a flashlight like this somewhere where you need to look.
еще куда-то.
Into the depth somewhere else there. You can crawl under and look.
Ну, тут по толщине они отличаются.
They differ in thickness, length, thickness,
И увеличитель стекло, оно можно
and you can stick
вот его
a magnifying glass here and, for example, look into the lock through this magnifying glass.
камера не сфокусирует,
The camera won't focus it, but I think you get the idea.
можно так.
That is, we look through the magnifying glass and you can see well with the backlight.
Ну, в общем, вот такой вот
Well, in general, this is the set. The price of the set you can find on our website. The link is under this video. Bye.